Hello farmers, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's quickly talk about the problem facing most farm owners. So we have a lot of problem facing most farm owners, but I really don't want to debate on the problem facing your farm business, really. I have a lot of videos that actually talk about that right down there. If you check down there, I have a lot of videos that talk about that. So I don't want to talk about the problem that might be facing your business, really. So I want to talk about the problem that are facing your profit in the business, why you are not making a huge profit even when you know that your business is doing well in the farm. So all these things makes most farmer to lose interest, and some might even, back off. They might even go out of the business, leave the business completely. So all this is what I want to discuss, and I want to actually talk about the solution you can provide to this once you notice this on your farm. So but before then, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just subscribe, I do love that, and I really appreciate my 100 plus subscribers. I really appreciate, thank you all. And click the notification bell as well to get notified. This will help you to get notification each time we drop a new video for you. Actually, we have a lot of things to discuss here. We have a lot of things to talk on here. You just have to stay on Addota Farm. Keep on watching our videos. This will help you to get, I know you might have a lot of things as an experienced farmers, but experience, they say, is not enough. So we just have to keep on learning every day. So the major problem facing the farmers, the farm owners rather, is the workers they get on their farm. The workers they get to their farm. I don't really want to talk about their inexperience, inability to work, or any other thing. All I want to talk on right now is why you are not making profit even when you know your business is actually doing well. It's your business is growing well, when you know your business is flourishing, but the profit that are coming in is not encouraging. So that is what I want to talk about actually. So the problem lies with the workers you get, like I said. So it is not about their experience or anything. Some of them might be consistent in doing what they are doing, you understand, but why are the you see the business doing okay? If your business is doing well, that means your workers are actually working well. So you get, but why are you not making profit in this business even when you notice that your business is actually growing well? So most farmers do ask these questions, even on WhatsApp group. I just have to answer this kind of question. I told the person boldly that it is the workers you get on your farm that is not giving you enough profit, because your business is actually growing well. You know that your business is growing well, but the workers you have on your farm, they are not trusted. They are not to be trusted. So this is the number one major problem that is affecting most farm owner. So you might have a supervisor, or what should I call them, a manager, a director, or a farm attendant that is working under you. So if the person have trust issues, so you are going to be having lots of problem with them. If the person actually have greed or any other thing, that the person is not content, it's not satisfied with whatever you are giving the person, so you are going to be having problem with that person. It's going to be stealing some of your, you know products, like whatever things you are producing in the farm. Let me give you this example now. There are some systems, skills that these workers that work in the poultry, in the laying poultry, there are some skills they do. So if your pullet started laying maybe 4, 5, 6, they won't tell you at the first day. So they will be packing it, and they will be keeping it, they will be eating it, and they will be doing all those sort of things so that you don't get noticed. So once they notice that the chicken are laying up to one crate, what they do is they will divide it into two. So they will tell you that they have started laying and they are laying up to half, so the next time when they get something like 1.5 crates, they keep the half, they give you one. So that is how they'll be doing. They'll be cutting it little by little, little by little. If you started getting like 100 crates, you should be rest assured that something like that 10 or 5 crates will be moving out of uh your product, the number of the eggs you're supposed to get. So you might be thinking this thing is supposed to be this, but it's not this, and they'll be giving you an excuse, another thing else. So these are the things that is facing most farm owners, the workers. Even the manager that you get on your farm, if you're having trust issue with the manager, maybe you should send the person off, because it might wreck you and bring you to a lower level, or even make you lose interest in the business completely. So trust issue is the major problem. Even most time, the supervisor, the manager, the directors, they work hand in hand with the workers that are working in the farm there. So there is a way they go about it. So once they sell this thing, they get their own, with the managers or the director, the supervisor get their own percentage, and the attendants get their own this thing too. So you get, so that is how they do these things. So there is a simple way to go about this if you want to make a change to this. You should know most of the people that are working under us are from a poor home. So some of them don't really care, making you a stepping stone to grow higher. So most of them don't really care. So what they do is to steal your properties so that they can become somebody great as well. So they don't care arming your business or even arming yourself, even doing different things to just make a progress in life, because Nigeria is a very tight place for us to for lots of people to grow. So that is it. So the solution you can provide to is number one, make sure if you see their salary is not good enough, increase it to a certain point that you will be satisfied, and they too will be satisfied. That is the number one solution. If you really want to provide solution to it, let me tell you something. If you said you should sack most of them, send them off your farm, let me tell you, you cannot get a better person, because the good people we have in the world are rare. They are not many. So you will still get the same result if you said you should send that one out and bring, even if you send one out of 10 and you bring another one to join them. So the 10 people that are there, even if the one you sent is the head of the theft, stealing, all the stealing stuff, so that one might have influenced the remaining 9. And if you bring the new one, the 9 people, the 9 workers you have on your farm will actually influence the one you brought. So this thing will keep on going. And if you send all of them out at the same time, you employ new people, those people are still coming with their own attitude, with their own character too. So you don't really know what behavior each and every one of them have. So the only solution is, number one, make sure you increase their salary. So if their salary is small and you notice their salary is no, if the salary most of the workers are getting is not enough to solve their major problem, that is why they are getting on your business, to steal out of it. So the salary is not enough. So increase their salaries. Once you increase their salary, you are satisfied and they are satisfied. They won't have the heart to steal your properties. Though some are very wicked. If you notice this kind of people, you can actually send them out of your farm. But you should just look at some people. So with the look of things, you will know the ones that are good. So once you increase their salary, they will change. Number two, visit your farm often. I know most of we farm owner, we do have extra business that needed our attention more than we give to our farms. But let me tell you something. If you are not having a very good manager or a director in your farm, please make sure you visit your farm often. This will create an impression in the heart of your workers. They will have this fear that, yes, boss is going to be around, so we don't need to do this. You understand? So they will have that fear. And if you don't visit often, so they will be thinking, today boss is coming, tomorrow it's not coming, next tomorrow is coming. So they would have know how you work on you come to your farm. So this will give them enough space to steal your properties any way they want. So that is number two. Visit your farm often. Number three, put on a smiling face. So let me tell you, there's a chance for boss, there's a chance for workers. So bring yourself low to their level doesn't make you actually low. Let me tell you this thing, it's very simple. Just humble yourself between them. You smile, you play, you share experience. If you're a kind of person that watch football and you notice some of them that know much about football, discuss about football together. This will create this intimacy, create friendship between them. That is the third thing. Put on a smiling face. Create friendship between them. You play with them. Don't shout at them, don't yell at them all the time. You understand? So they will think that you are being wicked, you don't like them, you don't love them. So all this will actually make them to have the heart to steal your properties. So once you are doing all these things and they notice that you are friendly, you talk, you discuss about farm business with them, you give them secret things about farm, you talk about the politics, you talk about football, you talk about any other thing that is interesting. So you discuss and you laugh together with them. And next time, you still give yourself a chance of a boss. So these people, they will actually welcome you with everything they have. So, and they will open up everything in their mind. They will open it to you. Always give them the chance, to talk to you, to express their feelings, everything like that to you. So after that, the number fourth one is buy them things. I'm not saying you should go to the boutique and buy them clothes or any other things. I'm not saying that. Even if you notice some of them that they are wearing rags as their farm work, you understand, just branch. We have where they sell this okrika. Most of us know okrika, all these used clothes. Just buy it, bring it to the farm, share it for them, just for them to wear in the farm to work. They will actually love it, they will cherish you. And actually, you can get them food stuff, like you get them maggi, salt, oil and rice, beans, any other things that you think you can afford, yam. It is not all the times that you are going to be doing all this, but just once in a while, buy them all these things. So even if one among them wanted to steal your properties, another will tell you that no, boss has been nice, so he doesn't really deserve this. So let me tell you this, and once somebody talk about this, all of them will be overwhelmed with that kind of pity mind. So, and they will actually channel whatever things that will be coming, that they should take. They will be channeling it to you immediately. So these are the things. If you are doing all these four things, it will actually help you to make enough profit, even when you know that your business is doing well. So it will help you. So these are the only solution you can provide to your workers, so that it will make your uh, profits to increase. It will increase your profit. But if you are not doing all this, all the monies that are supposed to be coming to you, they will be channeling it to their own account. So they'll be channeling it for their own progress, for their own success. So please just do all this, be friendly, visit your farm often, laugh and smile with your workers, share secret things, share different things with them, play with them, teach them. Don't yell at them, don't feel like you are god over them. All this will help them to express their feelings and open their mind to you. Even if they have the heart to steal, they won't touch your properties. So trust issue is the only reason why most farmers are not making enough profit on their farm. So you get, so if you know your business is doing well and the profit that are coming is not encouraging, that has to do with your workers. So it's just as simple as that. And the only reason to provide, the only solution you can provide to that is to do what, is to follow this first step that I gave you. And most people don't really, I'm in the south in Yoruba, that is in Yoruba land in Nigeria. So most of the Yoruba farm owners don't want their indigene. They want other people from another tribe, because they know those people are easy, they will be easy to control, and they will understand them. Even if they want to steal, it is not their place, so they won't have the that confidence to steal bigger things out of their farm, because it is not their place of birth. You understand? So that is, it's just as simple as that. Let me tell you, like I said the other time, if you said you should be changing workers, that is how you're going to be changing workers. But if you do these four things that I tell you, you will actually get a better result, if your business is actually doing well and you have enough workers on your farm. So all this is all I want you to know. So kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, and just click the button. It will give you notification when we drop video for you. And don't forget to follow us on Telegram too. It is Addota Farm. So you can subscribe, you can ask questions there, we can discuss, live chat there. And don't forget to share and like as well. Drop a comment, we do love that. And keep on watching Addota Farm video. Thanks for watching, we really appreciate all our 100 plus subscribers. I just want to thank you. I'm very, very happy.